Okay, so for this one, we are making a box, and I want you to imagine that you have a piece of paper, and on that piece of paper, let's try this again. So that rectangle, that piece of paper that we have, is twice as long as it is wide. So I don't know how wide it is. Let's call that x, and that means that its length is going to be 2x, right? Easy enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to go cut. I'm going to make a bigger picture over here. We're going to cut out corners of this piece of paper. So x, 2x. And so squares of side 2 are cut out from each corner. So we are going to say, okay, we're going to cut. And this is a 2 by 2 square. 2 by 2 square. We're going to cut out from each corner. And then we are going to fold up those tabs that we've just formed to make a box. And we want to know, okay, what is the volume of that box? So we'll remember that volume is, so we'll say length times width times height. And the question really is, and this is why it's important to make a drawing, what the heck are the length and the width and the height here, right? So if we look at this and we can say, okay, so the base of our box is going to be this area that I'm trying to put dots in because the tabs are going to form the sides of our box, right? So what is the length of each of those sides here? So this one here, we started with 2x and we've cut out length 2 here and length 2 here, so that will be -4. And this dimension right here, we've done the same thing. We started with x and we've taken off a length of 2 and a length of 2, so that'll be x minus 4. So there's our length and our width, right? So 2x minus 4 and x minus 4. And what's our height going to be? Well, our height is going to just be, we're going to fold up this tab here and this tab here. Those are going to be the walls. How tall are those walls? 2. 2, whatever these units are. So there's our height and our length and our width. And all this one asked was to express the volume of the box as a function of the width. There, we've done it. If you wanted to say, well, what's going to, what is the volume of the box going to be? Well, it depends on how big a piece of paper, right? The bigger you make your piece of paper, the bigger the volume is going to get. So that's all this question's asking for. So don't overthink it when you get to this type of problem on the homework. All right, that's it.